It's again a big pleasure to be in Dhaka at Denim Expo. And as before, our focus is again sustainability. We are the first company start with first PP replacement with our OrganIQ system. Now we are again here in order to present our new OrganIQ system. This is OrganIQ 6 system. Now not only PP or stone wash, we can also replace chlorine bleach with in a very ecological level with enormous water saving, energy saving with our new system. It gives the benefit of saving a lot of water. Together with this, all our products are ecological and completely biodegradable.
How do you see the response from the customer side?
Bangladesh is the biggest garment market in the world. Until that time, Denim Expo always developed in a very positive direction, and every year we see a lot of interest from the customer side. Not only the customers, a lot of people from different countries visiting also Denim Expo. We see it's very positive, and that's why it's nice. It's very nice to be here, and that's why now it would be great to be together with laundry people, also from different parts of application fields at Denim Expo. For us, it's always nice to be here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.